What is bank? Bank is a financial institution which accept the demand deposit, providing loans and advances and also transferring the funds. There are 12 public sector banks and 22 private sector banks. Public sector banks, which means majority of share holds by the government, and private sector banks, which means majority of share held by the individual person or the organization. Thank you. I want to join banking sector after engineering because banking sector adopt a new technology in a faster way, and I keep myself up to date with latest trend and technology. Banking sector deals with credit and credit important industries, and many industries are dependent on engineer. So as an engineer, I am very helpful for bank in a two way, as a provisionary officer and as an engineer. I as an engineer, when any company wants to loan, so I can easily check their technical aspects. For example, being an agriculture engineering, sometimes banks provisionary officer are deals with agriculture people, and so being a agriculture engineer, I am quite comfortable to those peoples. So that's why I want to join the banking industry. Scope of agriculture in banking sector. Agriculture sector play important role in a banking sector. In India, 70% people are living in villages, and agriculture sector is the largest service provider sector. So banks are having their branches in rural areas. In rural areas, majority of people are engaged in agricultural activities, and they need to assistance of bank for crop rising, buying tractor, buying implement, and other activities like piggery, dairy, and pisciculture, and so on. And bank also provide the KCC to farmers. Presently, there are 7 crore active users of KCC, and after the nationalization of bank, the agricultural loan was continuously rising. That shows the importance of agriculture in banking sector. Thank you. I want to join banking industry, and I feel ICICI is an industry leader. In recent time, we see ICICI on many awards like best sub custodian award for 2020 and 4 award in Asian best retail finance services. And as we know, ICICI known for innovate new technology in banking industry, like they first introduced the mobile banking system in India, and second, in a recent time, ICICI deals with ISRO for land mapping to provide the crop loan to farmers, which is firstly in India. And also they do a social initiative like skill development, women empowerment, clean India initiative, which motivates me, and I am very fortunate to be a part of this bank.